Let's explore what standard deviation really means and why all of these descriptions are correct. First, standard deviation is a measure of the spread of a dataset. Let's look at two different datasets. The first dataset has a small standard deviation, meaning the values are closely clustered together. The second dataset has a larger standard deviation, showing that the values are more spread out. Standard deviation also indicates how much individual values vary from the mean. Here's a dataset where we'll highlight the mean in green. The standard deviation essentially measures the typical distance of values from this mean. Standard deviation helps scientists summarize how much variation exists in a dataset or population. For example, in a normal distribution, about 68% of the data falls within one standard deviation of the mean, making it a powerful tool for understanding the spread of data. So all these descriptions are correct because standard deviation is a versatile statistical measure that helps us understand the spread of data, the variation from the mean, and provides a summary of variation in populations.